Hi there, this is Abby again, your how-to mama here at the O'Hares. Who doesn't love applesauce? Everybody loves applesauce, especially kids. And it's good to have it when you're out and about. You can just purchase them from the store. But a lot of parents are concerned about what are the things added or put in it. So today, I'm going to show you how to make applesauce to go using my squeeze station. Let's get into the kitchen. We will start by slicing the apples and removing the cores. But before that, you have to wash your apples really good. I'm using this awesome slicer that I got from one of the malls here in Bahrain. And if you want to get one, I'm gonna include the link in the description area so you can get them too. Now we're gonna transfer it to the Instapot. Now I'm going to add Red Hot's candy for flavor. It's up to you if you want or don't want to include flavor in your applesauce, because apple by itself is already sweet. But for me in this recipe, I'm going to add Red Hot's candy. So it's gonna have its cinnamon spicy flavor. So it's ready. There's a setting for fruits. So while we're waiting for the apples to cook, I'm going to introduce to you this fresh squeezy containers included in the squeeze station. I'm going to put in the description where you can get this one. They're very cute and colorful.
One eternity later.
Oh, our apples are cooked. There you go. As you can see, even if we didn't put water, there's a little bit of liquid in there. So it's up to you if you want to include the liquid when you process them. But for me, I don't need it because it's already very runny. There you go. Now we're gonna transfer it into a bowl. There's your little squeezy pack. And now here's the squeeze station that I was talking about. This is how you're gonna set it up. Now you wanna use a funnel. You can put 4 ounces of applesauce in one pack. There you go. There's that mark. And push them into the pack. There you go. That easy. Now we'll cover it with its cute little lid. See how now it looks like the packed applesauce that you can buy in the store. So time for my son Xavier to try it. They're pretty cute. Yummy. I think Xavier approves it. I think he likes it a lot. And that's how you make applesauce to go. Here at the O'Hares How To Mama segment, we try to answer your basic how to mama or papa questions. So let me know down at the comment section what you want to talk about next time. But of course, please don't forget to like and follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel, The O'Hares, to get notified when we upload our videos. Thank you for watching and see you again soon!
The family stuff, the matters.